Guys, the solar at the village is just wow. That solar. The solar is solar. The solar is solar. Wow. Guys, this solar is just wow. Are you able to see, guys? Just look at the solar. Look at that. That's the solar. It's time. Tuende kwa shamba. Let's go check our shamba. Very soon we are going to be shamba shepherds. So the gumboots will do for safety measures. So here we are. Let's go, Mike. Pause. Go to the shamba. At least zimeshika. This is good progress. Very good. Some are dry now, some are coming now. The solar. Remember? The solar here is just too much. And here, this is good. Very nice. Very nice. I think you're supposed to remove this, how is it called?
Beads.
Weeds. Some of them are supposed to be there.
Does it all?
This one died. You can be, I told you. No, but bring that camera. Something should be done, huh? Is it still here? Something should be done about it. This is actually nice. This is nice. Very nice. After is going to be doing type of activity. And look at the way you did the other side. This place is small. What's here? Between here? Kuna trees up. What is somewhere here? We could have added this. A star. Wow. Nice. Guys, now you can see, now this is the very raw place that we want to transform. We want to make sure that this place has some maize, millet, and yeah, that's what should happen here. So as you can see, it is raw. I'll be updating you as we work on it on a daily basis. Yeah, guys, this should be like Mike, this is quarter acre or what?
Something like that.
Yeah, quarter. This is like a quarter acre. We want to try it up, and as you can see, yeah, this one would work for us. It's already been slashed, though we have some logs of wood. As you can see, this one should all be removed. It's a very fertile land. It's a virgin land. It's never been planted before. And as you remember my mango farm, guys, we'd shared my mango farm at some point. Here it is. This is just besides the mango farm. The mangoes are all there. See the mangoes, all there. So next to the mangoes, we want to do the maize and millet. This is very nice, very nice. Guys, we'll need to work on this anthill. It's way too high. We'll work on it. There's someone who will flatten it, and I think all should be well. And this place is still very, very, very virgin. It's never been, we've never planted before. It was a bush. It was a bush like this other one. See, this is a whole bush, but we've just decided to take a portion. We do some plantings from the beginning, row and cut. We are not going to do any other thing, but we are going to try and put the maize, millet. We are a bit worried about the monkeys, but we'll see what to do. On the comment section, guys, tell us what we can do with the monkeys. Do we take them to KWS, or we take them and kill them? What do you advise, guys? Thank you so much. This is interesting. Continue watching. This is where we'll be doing our plants. And yeah, our fence is just here, so there's protection. I don't think there's anything that will come into our shamba. This is well protected, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is the barbed wire and the chain link. Guys, look at what the monkeys do. They step on this chain link, then they bend it. So this is a bit dangerous. We'll see what to do about it. And so far I think this will be a protection enough for a start. And yeah, so this is our land. I want you to look at it, guys. This is before, and just before we plant, then we'll be able to update as we do our farming here at the village. And you guys will love it. There's something called Mike, what is this thing called? This one here. This is Napier grass. Guys, is this sugarcane or Napier grass? Now this one looks like sugarcane, but apparently it's Napier grass. Look at it. And it is very, very tall. Very tall. Guys, this is Napier grass. It is all over the fence. Listen to the sound. Listen to that sound. Wow. guy knows how to maneuver. He knows how to maneuver.